Today I'm reattaching the side skirt on a 2008 Toyota Matrix. Also applies from 2003 up to 2008. So to get this off, there's some clips, rubber grommets. I'll put the part number down below in the description. So you need these. This car only came with one. Unfortunately, whoever owned the car before had actually used some self-tapping screws to screw it into the undercarriage of the vehicle. So I purchased these clips, and I also purchased these clips, both from Amazon. Right, these are what they look like. Right, and they fit really well. They just push straight in, and this part of it connects over here. Alright, so basically you need to remove these grommets first to remove this, if that's what you're doing. And then you pull these off. You pull the whole side skirt off and it will come off. And you may or may not need to replace these. I decided, as I have it out, I might as well just replace it. They're not expensive from Amazon. So that's what I'm gonna do. So first of all, to reassemble, I put these clips in, and then I'm gonna push these parts all the way along. So take this and push it in, and then I'm gonna use these grommets underneath to attach this to the undercarriage. That completed. What is different in the front is that there's a square connector. I can't get my hands on it right now, but it's a square connector here that fits into a bracket over here, which has broken off on this vehicle. So I wouldn't be able to use this, but I think you putting in all of these clips should be sufficient for this. And over here you have a black clip that goes here and connects onto the fender liner underneath. Alright, so I hope this helps you taking it off and reassembling it. Thanks.